right? So now we'll do double. We fed puppies, but it was off camera. Woo! Can you see how it splashed and made a wave? Into a mega rocket, see what happens.
Yeah.
Woo! It made a big splash. Into a mega rocket.
It.
Fish are not in. Do you think it's okay to throw rocks?
Yeah.
3, 2. It made a big splash.
Don't be afraid of the watchman. He will not do anything.
Woo!
But don't throw too many rocks. It's okay. Enjoy the water, Aarna.
I will.
But these are the last ones. Okay, you are throwing.
No.
Just to show the things in the side.
Crystal. So,
Look, Aarna, explain this. What is inside?
Aarna, don't
a double splash. Look, so this is very cold water, and this is a pond.
How did this water come here, Aarna?
This is rainwater.
Rainwater. And it looks so fresh, right?
Yeah, but we can't drink it. We don't know.
Yeah.
Look, all of those, and also plants are inside. Just kidding. Oh, water went in these.
So let's go to the other pond, okay? Chalo.
Sunday fun.